CS graduates have higher unemployment than philosophy majors. Yeah, I had to reread that twice because I'm the guy who used to tell everyone, cousins, friends, random Discord dudes, just learn to code, bro, you'll be set. Now some of those same people are messaging me like, Dev, did we get scammed? And honestly, for a second, I thought we did. Because everywhere you look in 2026, it feels like AI just speed ran our entire career path. Zuckerberg talking about AI engineers, startups bragging about 2 dev teams replaced by prompts, Twitter dev influencers posting cursor clips like coding is now optional. You open YouTube and it's basically coding is dead, stop learning programming, AI writes everything now. And I won't lie, even I started questioning it. I've used these tools. I've vibe coded features, watched AI generate files faster than I could even scroll. At first it feels illegal, like you unlocked admin sheets. But then reality hits. Because Cursor's whole watch the demo, don't read the code idea sounds cool until you imagine shipping something real, like payments, user data, authentication. If someone asked me, is this app secure? And I never reviewed the code, I'd literally be lying. Shipping AI code nobody checked isn't productivity. It's rolling dice with production. That's not engineering. That's gambling. And then came the moment that completely broke the illusion for me. Anthropic drops this massive demo. Claude builds a C compiler. The internet loses its mind. I remember thinking, okay, yeah, we might actually be cooked. Then developers started digging. Turns out Claude couldn't even debug itself, needed GCC, human-built tooling from decades ago, plus a whole team of engineers babysitting the process. And the Doom demo? Yeah, it couldn't even run Doom solo. That's when it clicked for me. AI right now feels like watching someone fake a speedrun using glitches. Looks insane, not actually playable. But here's where things get weird. While everyone screams AI replaced developers, software stocks start tanking. Workday down, Salesforce dropping, people calling it the SaaS apocalypse. Meanwhile, the same AI companies claiming engineers are obsolete are hiring tons of engineers themselves. That contradiction told me everything. Coding isn't dying. Entry-level repetition is. The stuff I used to grind when starting out, CRUD apps, boilerplate APIs, tutorial projects, yeah, AI farms that instantly now. Those were easy mobs, but production bugs, security reviews, performance disasters at 2 a.m., AI generates problems faster than it solves them. Half the time I'm not writing code anymore. I'm reviewing AI code, fixing logic gaps, catching silent failures. And honestly, that skill feels way more valuable because AI doesn't take responsibility. It doesn't panic when prod breaks. It doesn't understand consequences. I do. You do. That's the new developer moat. 2026 coding isn't about typing faster. It's about thinking deeper. You're not competing with AI. You're supervising it. So yeah, coding is still worth it. If you're learning how systems actually work, how to debug, secure, and question AI output, you're early. And the funniest part? AI needs developers more than developers need AI. Like and subscribe, or your resume becomes training data.
Oh, is that so?